Alright, some good progress here. As you can see, there's no engine. The engine is there. It weighs about 50 kilos, and you can do it by yourself or the removal, but it just needs some adjustments and a good jack. I got it out pretty easily, even though it was my first time pulling pretty much any engine out. So thumbs ups, nothing is broken. I've pretty much stripped everything off now, and I already started doing the seat. As you can see, the end is gone, and stripped some nuts and bolts off here, just to get my battery box fit better in here, and took also out some kind of lip from the tank, and I have the seat is coming up. It's in the mail already, but didn't get it here today, so I made up a cardboard mock-up version of the seat. It will be something like this, only a bit higher. What do I use? Let's use something like a bottle. There. Like that. So it will be a bit higher. Something like this. Already much better, even though it's cardboard. Yeah. Pretty nice. At this moment my concern is the license plate hanger. The Finnish law is a bit strict about it, and the way it should be visible. So if I don't remember wrong, it should be on maximum of 15 degrees angle. So I'm afraid that the rear wheel will bump into it, so I may have to build some kind of extension back here so I can fit the license plate without the wheel rubbing to it when the suspension is for example bottoming out. So something to be aware of. Well, this will probably be a bit higher, so it will help, but we'll see. Let's continue. Okay, I got the frame pretty much teared down. Everything is that comes off is taken off. There's the wheels off, tank off, engine off, all sorts of crap there and there. The only thing that's missing or that's taken off is the T-joint here, and I need to get a 30mm bolt to get that out, so I'm going to go to the hardware store to get that. I've marked the places. Here's going to be the seat, and this is next step is welding the seat frames, and there's all the stuff that's going to be welded there. Let's check out the other side. This will be here like a support, and on the other side we have the tube frame there. But yeah, next up, welding.
Exotica.